Hello and welcome back. Quick one today, just to get us back in the mode. I thought we'd use a few sliding string movements. So that's where you slide your finger from one note to another. So instead of say playing two notes there, here, you could just slide it down. And that's sliding your notes. Simple. You can add a string bend into that as well. So that's sliding your notes and string bending. So you can go. That's your hammer-ons and pull-offs. Slide down, slide up. Give it a go. Okay, you can do it with your hammer-ons and pull-offs, string bends. Again, there you go, the string bend. Give it a bash. So you've got your hammer-ons and pull-offs, what we did 2 sessions ago. You've got your slide-ons and slide-offs, sliding from one note to another note, and of course your string bends as well. Have a little practice. Give it a go and see you soon. Okay, goodbye.